Okay guys, the Today Show is going nautical. We'll explain coming up. Goal! Hey, David! Sir, please leave.
Yellow card, yellow card.
Not another word, not another word. Perfect wisdom. You have like the sequence down. I got it down, man. It's been like 6 years since I've actually got how to get some crowd control. We're actually doing the content for
Trabajando en un bote.
Even though we're
Marcel working hard. Marcel is working hard. It's tough life. Look at that shot. Look at that shot. Mira para allá, so people think like, oh man, this is amazing. Oh, Jesse dancing. You know. Aquí tenemos el bote. Y este es el centro de Miami para quienes no han estado por aquí. Estamos al lado de Brickell. Y está un botecito pequeñito. Quiere aquí jugar conmigo. A ver. Alright. You want me to play defense?
I'm gonna go past you.
Alright, pass. Try.
Goal! Takes. Up. Let's go.
Our challenge looked at the significant score as coming to the 2026 FIFA World Cup. As NBC News' Jesse Kirsch reported from Miami, Florida on the boat ride, football's premier tournament is expanding to an unprecedented 48 teams, a move that will see more nations than ever before competing for the coveted trophy. This expansion means a new format with 12 groups of 4, leading to a round of 32 in the knockout stage, and a total of 104 matches played across the 3 host nations, the United States, Canada, and Mexico. Get ready for a longer, more inclusive, and undoubtedly thrilling World Cup experience in next year.